Hi, my name is Sharon. I'm with BobbinLace.online. I am your instructor for beginning bobbin lace classes. We have our cameras up and rolling today so that we can film our second class. So I wanted to take just a moment and thank each one of you for your interest and support in joining us with bobbin lace classes. It has been phenomenal, and I'm so excited to work with each one of you. We have bobbin lace makers around the world, and it is so exciting to meet each one of you. To make this communication a little bit easier, we have set up a social network for each one of you to join, that we can communicate with one another easier, and you can also communicate with other lace makers in your area. So go to BobbinLaceOnline.com, and I'm sure that you will enjoy this site and be able to have lots of information given to you. I'm again thankful for all that you've done and for your support in this class. It's been wonderful, and we've had a lot of fun doing it. So have a good day, and we'll see you later. Bye.